Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is a widely used inorganic salt, often found in fertilizers due to its high nitrogen content. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate is often used in agriculture to improve soil quality, but can be harmful if inhaled in large quantities. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.